Julius Klever. Sunset in a Winter Forest. A magical pictorial crystal by Julius Klever, in which light plays the most important, organizing role. Melancholic, illuminating the soul, the light of hope directed to the heart of the viewer. Lines up as an inverse conical perspective that deviates from the sun. Its melancholic sunset glow, not long broken through the clouds, pierces the clearing of the spruce forest creek. A warm, orange-gold glow embraces the expanse of the forest, the damp, muted distance, the snow-covered caps of the branches, lost in purple shadows in the snow-covered thicket. The rays of sunset gild the trunks of nearby trees, leaving piercing and true reflections on the thawed water. The scent of winter weaves through the bluish snow, tinged with the lilac haze of the waning day. It embraces the warm echoes of sunset with a casual coolness. The central axis of the landscape is not blocked by a single fallen tree or root. This means that there is a way out. And the light that illuminates the forest is full of hope that refreshes the soul.